Dayawan, a student of GE for Mathematics and Modern World. And I'm here to discuss about patterns, diagrams, and of course, symmetry. Patterns, diagrams, symmetry. Patterns are visible regularities of form found in natural nature. These patterns recur in different contexts, and it can be sometimes modeled mathematically. Natural patterns include symmetries, trees, spirals, and etc. Diagram is a symbolic representation of information using visualization techniques. Introduction to symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry, a shape, is said to be symmetric. Symmetric if it can be divided into two or more identical pieces, which is placed in organized way. Symmetry in nature. These are the 15 examples of symmetry in nature. Example number 1. A Romanesco broccoli. Romanesco broccoli was some type of genetically modified food, but it's actually just one of the many instances of fractal symmetry. Fractal is a complex pattern where each part of a thing has some geometric pattern as a whole. Example number 2. A honeycomb. Honeycomb is a case of wallpaper symmetry, where a repeated pattern covers a plane. Example number 3. Sunflowers. Sunflowers boost radial symmetry, an interesting type of numerical symmetry known as Fibonacci sequence. Example number 4. The shell of Nautilus. As you can see in the picture, the shell of Nautilus is drawn as Fibonacci spiral. Example number 5. Animals. Animals have bilateral symmetry, which means they can be split into two matching halves. They can evenly divide it down a central line. Example number 6. Spiderweb. Spiderwebs are built for strength, and its radial symmetry helps to evenly distribute the force of impact when prey hits the web, resulting in less rip in the trend. Example number 7. Snowflake. Snowflakes exhibit six-fold radial symmetry, which elaborate identical patterns on each of its arms. Example number 8. Milky Way Galaxy. Milky Way Galaxy incredible design, similar to Nautilus shells and sunflowers, adhere by each arm of the galaxy represents a logarithmic pattern or spiral beginning at the center of. Example number 9. Sun and Moon Symmetry. Sun and Moon symmetry with a ratio of 400 times make the Sun and Moon appears almost same by when it's seen from the Earth. and the symmetry will appear. Example number 10. Starfish. Starfish has a radial symmetry, meaning you can cut it like a pie and each place will be the same. Example number 11. Butterfly. If you were to slice it down the middle, each of the halves look like the other, and it means bilateral symmetry. Example number 12. The actinomorphic flower. It is a radial symmetry and can be spread into two equal parts, and the radial plane located at the center. Example number 13. Crabs. Crabs and other crustaceans have a bilateral symmetry. That's why it is included to the example of example number 14. Symmetrical leaves. Symmetrical leaves have a blade on each side of the midrib equal areas where asymmetrical leaves may either have. Example number 15. Bicycle wheel. A bicycle wheel appears to have a rotational symmetry. When it is rotated to some angles similar than 360 degrees. At last, so I conclude that symmetry is an ordering principle in nature that represents the center or balance between two or more opposite sides. And in nature, as like my examples, symmetry exists with such precision and beauty that we can't help but